Hey there, baking enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the realm of sweet indulgence with a recipe that's sure to bring a smile to your face: the easiest vanilla birthday cake. Whether it's for your own special day or a loved one's celebration, this cake is a crowd pleaser. Let's get started. To begin, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 2½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1½ cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, softened, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1¼ cups of milk. Once you have everything ready, it's time to bring this delicious cake to life. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour 2 9-inch round cake pans, ensuring they're well coated to prevent sticking. Step 2. In a medium-sized bowl, whisk together the all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt. Set this dry mixture aside for now. Step 3. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Step 4. Add the eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Then, stir in the vanilla extract. Step 5. Gradually add the dry mixture to the butter-sugar mixture, alternating with the milk. Start and end with the dry mixture, and mix until just combined. Step 6. Divide the cake batter equally between the prepared cake pans, smoothing the tops with a spatula. Step 7. Bake in the preheated oven for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Step 8. Once baked, remove the cakes from the oven and let them cool in the pans for about 10 minutes. Then, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, the easiest vanilla birthday cake. But no birthday cake is complete without frosting. For the frosting, you'll need 2 cups of heavy cream, chilled, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Step 1. In a chilled mixing bowl, combine the heavy cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract. Step 2. Whip the mixture on medium-high speed until stiff peaks form. Be careful not to over-whip. Step 3. Once the cakes have cooled, generously spread the whipped cream frosting on top of one cake layer. Then, place the second cake layer on top and frost the entire cake. Step 4. To add a celebratory touch, you can decorate the cake with colorful sprinkles, edible flowers, or any decorations of your choice. And voila! Your delicious and fuss-free vanilla birthday cake is ready to delight. Remember, you can customize this cake by adding your favorite fillings or frostings. Get creative and make it your own.